Still a bit bloody windy, but got to get across this main road. Down in Cinder Path to Robin Hood's Bay, where we walked yesterday. carry on. Right, cinder tracks over there. Cinder tracks over there. Keep going. Here. Is this disused? I don't know. Let's go have a look, maybe. Go have a look. Turn that off a minute. Let's go and have a quick look up here. Road. Oh. Mine does the same. Sorry, didn't mean to startle you. Oi. So we're down there at the minute. Riding through here. There. Look at this bridge. Look at that. I thought it was a rail bridge, it's a road bridge. But nonetheless, still quite impressive. Right. Oh. Let's carry on. Old road bridge, I'd say. It's out on the road. Do I want to go on the road? I wonder where that road goes. way. Let's go and have a look here. Look at this. Look at this here. Let's go and have a look. Bike stand up. Look at that view. Look at this for a view. Robin Hood space there. Look at that. Look at that. Few people down walking on the beach here, look. What a view. What a view. I might go back up the way I was going and get back on that cinder track. Yeah, I might get back on that cinder track and go up there a bit further, because I'm alright for range. Get that one there. Right, let's turn that round. Let's go back that way. Hello. Here we go. Give it full send up here. Screwed me up behind. Come on, baby. Yes. That's a steepie. Even with the motor, this is caning it. That's a steep one. That's steep. Thank you. All right. I've already passed you once. I've just been down there's a hell of a hill down that way.
Yeah, well, you've just been up and down, you have.
Yeah, even on the bloody e-bike I struggled getting up that bit.
Joking.
Yeah, 5 mile, I could barely get 4.5 mile an hour up there even with the bloody e-bike.
Where?
You know when you walk past just a little bit further up
Yeah.
here, there's a turning.
Oh, you've been on the road?
Yeah,
Oh,
we're on
yeah,
the road.
yeah.
That's bloody steep there.
Yeah, it is, yeah.
Enjoy your walk.
Yeah, don't run out of battery, will you?
I hope not. For this review, look at that. Fantastic, isn't it? Hey, we've done 8 miles, so we've got plenty of range. Mind you, that hill would have took a bit out of it, I reckon. Right, let's carry on. Hello.
With the bell, that's very helpful.
Well, some people get the hump when you ring a bell. They go, bloody
I
people
don't.
on bikes, and then the idea is just so you don't get run over.
The bell is brilliant. The bell is brilliant.
Good,
Yeah?
good. Enjoy your walk. Space right over there, and we're right. Let me stop a minute. Robin Hood's Bay's there. Yeah, we're right over there past the hill where our motorhome is. So I've come all the way round here somehow on the e-bike. So it's pretty good going. Pretty good. Right, where's this cinder track going? Guess it's up here. Right, Ravenscar. Look down here. How's that for a view? How is that for a view? Stunning, I think is the word to explain that. Absolutely stunning, isn't it? Look at that. Wow. Let me try and get the camera up a bit higher so you can get better. Look at that. Yeah, so what I was saying, there's Robin Hood's Bay there, dead centre of the camera. Let me get you up on the screen, so where I'm pointing. Where Hawkser, where we're staying in the motorhome, is round that ridge there, and round the back. So we've come a fair way. According to this, we've done 9.1 miles. So I'd say that's about right. Let's have a look down here though. I've got to have a look down here, haven't I? There's actually a public footpath running down here. Now look, public footpath. That goes down there. I'd say it goes down to the beach, doesn't it? Goes along that way. Pretty incredible. Carry on. Don't know if I'm doing the right thing going up here, but anyway, we'll find out. Probably not. Wrong in here. Come down the footpath, won't we? Back up we go. Well, there you go. What view. What a bike ride. Look at that. Hello. Right, well, there we are. I think I'll be heading back now. Because that's where we are now. Ravenscar. So that's National Trust. Right, time to get back to the motorhome. Let's go. On my way back now.
I like your bike. I do like your bike.
Oh, thank you.
I'm impressed with it. Did you make it yourself?
No, it's a bought one.
What is it?
I've upgraded it a bit. I've put better tyres and whatnot on it, but yeah, you could genuinely buy them, but
Yeah.
it's 700 quid.
Yeah.
But
Oh, it's cheap for an electric bike.
the tyres I've changed. I've put these fancy spoke things on so you can be seen a bit better.
Oh, they
and-
just clipped over the spokes.
yeah. So they're only not
Because I
standard
thought, oh
wheel.
my gosh, they're sort of mega
No,
tyres, aren't
Nothing's,
they?
well, the tyres are, yeah, the tyres are. But trouble is, they're more for road, them tyres, not for this sort of thing. But,
Yeah.
so you get bounced about a bit, but no, because I'm up at Hoscar, right up.
High Octa, up the top of
Yeah,
Rubin
I know, yeah. I've got the
So
motor.
did you come
How we
down
do?
all on the way?
You all right?
Yeah, on the scene. Hello there, hello again.
We've met them twice.
I'm on
We're best buddies now.
my way back now.
Yeah.
So yeah, what I did, I got up here because I have to keep an eye on the old range because I've done nearly 12 miles now. So I've got a spare battery, but I ain't got it with me. And I've done nearly 40 on road. I can nearly do about 40 miles on
Yeah.
road.
Yeah, yeah, but with this you got more pedalling up little
Yeah.
streets, short steep.
Especially if I detour like I've just done down here, and
Yeah,
I ended up
exploring.
on the footpath. I was like, oh, I shouldn't be
Yeah.
down here, should I? And it's a bit harder going.
Very nice.
Yeah, but
No, I'm impressed.
We were
with
just
it,
talking
actually.
about cycling and the things we've done.
Like camping and stuff, yeah.
oh yeah. Well,
Yeah.
this honestly, I'm not big on electric things. I'm not, I'm not one of them people electric mad. But on a bike when you start getting a bit older.
Yeah.
It,
It
Exactly.
helps.
Oh,
It
yeah,
really
that's
does
right.
help.
Yeah, I mean, I had a-
Yeah,
I had an
I
old-
have one. Yeah.
I had an ordinary bike on the motorhome when I was going up Norfolk and that, and by the time I got in, I was absolutely shattered.
Yeah.
And on this, you yeah, all right. Like now, you have to do a bit of pedalling
Yeah.
to help it,
Yeah.
but you know, you honestly
You
don't.
can enjoy the.
You
yeah,
can enjoy
actually
it, yeah, you
day
can
rather than
enjoy it,
coming
yeah.
back
How
sweating
many
and-
Absolutely
gears
killing
have you
yourself, yeah.
Yeah.
How many gears you got?
It's, well, it's I think it's, to be honest with you, I think it's about
21?
21 or something
Yeah.
like that. Yeah,
Yeah.
you know. But being as this is, you got the battery, you just normally leave it in the big gear at the front.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh,
that's
just
it.
go, yeah.
And
go
away you
away.
Yeah.
And I know legally they're only supposed to do 15 and a half
Yeah.
mile an hour.
Yeah.
But I have messed around and
You
you
get a bit more.
get a little bit more, but
But
sensible.
then you're losing your battery power then.
Sensible, yeah.
Yeah.
You sort of, you know,
Balance
common
it off.
sense sort of thing. You know, it's nice. Like when I was round there, I thought bugger this, I'm putting it on the top one,
Yeah.
and even then,
Turbo.
even then, it wouldn't help me much.
On turbo. Yeah.
But yeah, it's good.
I
It's
guess-
good
I
fun.
guess the way we're all going with bikes, isn't it? When you're getting older.
What's the campsite like at High Hawkshaw then? Is it just basic?
York House.
York
isn't it?
House.
Oh,
Yeah.
that's the one with it's got those little wooden things. What they called?
Shepherd's Hut things?
Yeah,
Yeah.
Yeah,
Oh,
I
the
bet-
pods.
Pods.
I don't know whether, yeah, I don't know whether we've
Yeah,
seen
they've
him. It's got a lot of statics on there, but
Yeah.
yeah,
Yeah.
there's a little sort of
Area where you
area
have
for
tent?
motorhomes
Yeah.
and
Does
that.
it
We're
have
up at
tent?
A
Ravenscar.
few.
It's,
There's a few.
Oh,
Yeah.
just tent.
Yeah.
Yeah, there is a
Yeah.
few. Yeah.
Right.
But it's all
We're
right.
at Bent Rig.
Yeah, Bent Rig Farm.
Yeah, just at Ravenscar here.
Basic
Oh, right.
jobby in a
It's the
field.
windiest place. Way up with another bike.
Look out, another one.
Yeah, it's the windiest spot you could find.
Hello, Mike. Yeah, well, it's pretty windy up there. It has been
Yeah.
the last couple of days because we've been here. What's today? I lose track of bloody days.
Saturday.
Saturday.
Saturday, yes.
Yeah, we got here. We got up there Thursday, Friday, and it's our last day today, and then we're off over to Home Firth
From
tomorrow.
home first, yeah.
Going
yeah.
over to Home
A few
Firth.
hills there.
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah, it's well.
Big ones.
Yeah, I know. Yeah, so I got because I towed the bloody car behind the motorhome as well, so that'd be fun.
Oh wow.
Yeah, that'd be fun.
It's got a
So
big engine in the motor.
yeah, it's
Enjoy the rest of your
yeah, you
stay.
too. Nice having a chat. All the best. Enjoy the rest of your time. we're going to be making his home turf. Should be good. Keep watching, keep subscribing.